Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So glad you tuned in to another one of my videos. It all helps the channel. So as you may have been following along for the last couple of days, we've been evacuated northern Manitoba, northern Saskatchewan, forest fires the last couple of weeks. Been some destruction. Obviously my last video I talked about how my place burnt down, but so I got a back to work date. I'm actually going back to work in like 3 or 4 days. So I thought I would just take a break and treat myself a little bit. So I came to Paint Lake, Manitoba, which is just a little bit outside of Thompson, Manitoba. And I rented a yurt for 2 days. Just thought, you know what, it might be nice to stretch my legs, get out of the van for a little bit. And it's actually pretty nice, this Paint Lake Provincial Campground. And you can hear the kids playing at the beach. Let's check it out. Dun dun dun. Yeah. Nice little yurt. Hear the kids in the background. Let's check this out. So it's not a huge space, but this is pretty cozy. Pretty cozy. I really like the log furniture. And lucky enough, the mattress was same size as my van, so I just brought all my bedding in. And a big sky dome. Oh, get out of the way of the sun here. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice big say sky dome. That's the mosquito screen. I have it open right now to vent, or else we'd be cooking in here. So not so bad, not so bad. I think it was $56, something like that a night for. You have to rent it for 2 nights, so it was like 100, maybe 125 bucks. No complaints at all. A nice little hammock. It's actually pretty comfy. Yeah, you can just see the tree through the trees there. There's the lake. So let's go for a little walk down to the beach and check it all out.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So it's a pretty nice little picnic area here at the Paint Lake. I don't know what you call this, peninsula maybe? You can see in the background there, but they got volleyball, there's picnic tables, basketball court. It kind of seems like there's 3 different little beach areas too. I've never explored this area before. Pretty cool.
River's gonna cry when you're, river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine. we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So I haven't actually edited this video yet, but kind of hoping it's going to turn out a little better. I don't know if you guys noticed. I mean, I certainly did. I'm sure everybody else did. But my last video, when I was out at Pike Lake, Saskatchewan, where I was building a propane box, telling my little story time. Well, wasn't making a lot of direct eye contact with the camera. Part of that was I was experimenting with the forward-facing camera, which is a much better camera. Problem is, you can't see the view screen. You may have noticed some of my shots weren't quite in focus. Some my look at his teeth. Actually, my head was cut right off. So that's my next focus for the YouTube channel, is to get some better cinematography, something like that, some word. But one of the things I did is I went and bought one of these. You can see it there. Just a little view screen, magnets to the back of the phone. That way I can make sure nice center in the shot. Practice making more and better eye contact with the camera. But I thought about refilming some of those scenes from the last video over again and making things better and touching it up and being perfect. But realistically, I thought the way some of the shots turned out was more reflective of what was going on mentally. Because I'm definitely feeling disjointed. Wasn't, I don't know, wouldn't say I was necessarily off kilter, but I definitely wasn't even keel. Now it's been maybe a week since I made that video, and mentally I'm doing pretty good. I'm excited that we're going back to work. All the communities, Denair Beach, Creighton, Flin Flon, they're all doing their re-entry strategies. So they're going through making sure all the infrastructure's up and running, all the power's on. I think the grocery store owners are going back and getting all that ready to make sure food's good. Can't just send people back into community when there's no food there. Not that I expect that it's going to be bad, but you never know. Got to make sure. So that's good. Looks like we'll all be getting back soon, hopefully. It's I think when they said the end there was like 17,000 Manitobans. That's not including Saskatchewan side. 17,000 Manitobans were evacuated. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But everyone will be happy to get back home. I'll be interested to go see what the property looks like. I other than just a video that a firefighter sent me, I haven't seen it yet. Wednesday I have an appointment with the insurance adjuster, so we'll get some video. We'll make a video of all that too. But alright guys, there you are, Paint Lake, northern Manitoba. It's beautiful. I'm going for a swim. But alright guys, I'm gonna leave her here. Thanks for checking out another one of my videos. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, till next time, you guys, just stay safe, have fun, enjoy life. All right, catch you later.